Hello, well, part two of the video. The pork was marinated in a Ziploc bag last time you saw it, and now I just found it out in the Ziploc with a couple of bangs with a rolling pin just to flatten it slightly. And as you can see, it's ample for 4 skewers, which is fine for myself and the wife. And as I say, hopefully it's been marinating overnight, so it should have some good flavour. Now, pork presser, normally you either cook it fast or slow, or certainly the other way round, but you mustn't overcook it. It's a bit like Wagyu. You want to render the fat down, but as I say, the internal temperature. So we've lit the Weber, and we've got it medium temperature at the moment, and we've got it indirect side or direct side, so we can put it on the indirect side to start with, where it's a bit cooler, and then, as I say, we'll swap it over to the direct side where it's hotter to finish it, just to give it a bit of crispiness. Okay, as you can see, it's on the barbecue. The light's not good in here tonight, but we'll try and make it a bit of a roaring flame. I'm going to cut the heat down for it now. Just shut the top vent down. Ventilation is controlled. If the temperature is going up, that'll soon kill that flame a bit. We really want it about 190, and no big flame. Okay, we've dropped the temperature, as you can see, down. I think we've had probably about 12 to 15 minutes. And here it now. Here's the steam. That'll clear in a second. They're looking quite good. I might just quickly flash them over the flame, but the internal temperature is above where we want anyway. You can see they're sizzling on the skewers. So, the other thing that I've done since we spoke is I mixed up this here, which is coriander, red chilies, fish sauce, and fresh lime juice. And I thicken it slightly with some special powder that thickens it slightly. And we'll put it over the skewers, and we'll have another look in a sec. Here we go. As you can see, they're done, and they'll be nicely smoked as well. But you mustn't overcook them. 63, because the temperature will rise, is really where you want to be. Okay, I'm not going to let them go cold, but you can see they're looking pretty good. As I say, the dip with the fish sauce and the lime and the sugar, you've got and the chilies, you've got hot, sweet, sour, the Thai type of cooking. So I hope you've enjoyed it. It's not been as long as the first part, you'll be glad to know, but that's Moo Ping skewers, spicy Moo Ping skewers. Thanks for watching.